Okay, we just picked up Bluey from daycare, and let's get your backpack out of the way, Bluey. She has a super cute Hello Kitty backpack, and we are gonna show you guys baby Bluey's nighttime routine. So the first thing we're gonna do, Bluey, is you can have a snack since you just got home. Yay! I'm hungry! For a snack for Bluey, we have some watermelon and carrot sticks. Let's put that over there. And then she also has her favorite yogurt drinks. This one is just banana. That's her favorite. And we have her favorite Gabby fork. So let's put that there. There we go, Bluey. Enjoy your yummy snack. This looks so yummy. I love watermelon and carrots. Let's give you some juicy watermelon. Let's give you a crunchy carrot. Carrots are good for your eyes. Delicious. And now some more watermelon. Can I have my yogurt drink now, please? Of course you can, Bluey. Here you go. I love banana. Yeah, the minions love bananas too. Okay, now that Bluey has done her snack, we are going to practice some writing so that way she can learn her letters for when she goes to kindergarten. Okay, Bluey, we have some letter blocks here, and you have to tell me which letter is on each block. We have 6 of them here for you to guess. Which letter is this, Bluey? It's a lowercase, and it starts with egg. Do you know what this is? That's the letter E. E is for egg. Good job, Bluey. You're right. This is the letter E. It's a lowercase e, and E is for egg. You've been practicing. We practice every day. That's right, Bluey. What about this one here? This one is for deer. Deer. What letter is that? That's so easy. It's D. D's for deer, but also dog. That's right, Bluey. You did it. Now we have this one here. What is this? A zebra. What letter is this, Bluey? Zebra. It's the letter Z. You can hear it in the word zebra. Oh my goodness, Bluey, you're doing such a good job. You're right. And now we have moved on to this letter. What is this letter here? It is for mouse. Mouse. What letter is that? Mouse. I know. M. Mouse. Good job, Bluey. I like how you're sounding it out. All right, we're almost done. We just have a couple more. Here's another one for you. What is this letter? Ice cream. Might be a little tricky. That's not tricky. It's in the word ice cream. Ice cream. I. Wow, Bluey, you know your stuff. That is so good. We have our last one here. What is this one? It is for apple. What letter is this? This one is super easy for me because I love apples. It's A for apple. Apple. I'm so proud of you, Bluey. Good job. You've been practicing all of your letters. Now let's have some dinner so that we can go upstairs and take a bath before bed. I'm starving. Okay, guys, this is Bluey's favorite dinner of all time. She's got some shrimp here and broccoli, and it's on one of her favorite plates, which is her Peppa Pig plate, and along with another one of her special forks, which is Minnie Mouse. So she's gonna gobble this all up right now. I know it because this is her favorite meal. Do I smell shrimp and broccoli? Yum! All right, Bluey, here you go. Your favorite. It's some yummy shrimp. I love shrimp so much. We have some yummy broccoli now. It's gonna make you big and strong. I always pretend I'm a dinosaur eating my trees with broccoli. That's a good idea, Bluey. Okay, let's give you some more shrimp. You're almost done. Okay, Bluey, last broccoli, and then we will go have some bath time. Yay! I get to play in the bath with my new bath toys. I have my bath toys with me, my boat over here, and my submarine. Let's get in the water. Okay, let's put some water in Bluey's bathtub. There we go. Bluey's gonna love all of these bubbles. Yay! I love the bath. And look at my new bath toys. Yeah, these bath toys Bluey just got. They're super cute. We have a submarine and we have a boat, and Bluey loves playing with them in the bath. Okay, Bluey, but we're gonna have to take out the toys and we're gonna have to wash you off. Let's use our cocoa melon washcloth and let's soak it. Let's make sure we scrub everywhere. We have to make sure we get the ears and the eyes and the nose and mouth, under the armpits. Can't forget those. And let's turn you around and let's do your back. There we go. You're nice and squeaky clean. There we go, Bluey. Time to dry off. Splash, 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 splash. This is so much fun. Bluey's all dry now. Time for bed, Bluey. Ooh, yay. I'm so tired. Okay, let's put a fresh new diaper on Bluey. Clip the other side. There we go. Now time to get in the bed. Okay, let's put Bluey in bed. She likes to sleep on her side. And now let's cover her with her cozy blankets. And then we forgot to get you your stuffy. Here's Bluey's favorite stuffy right now. This is Sprinkles the bunny. Let's put her right there. There we go. You look so cozy, Bluey. I'm so tired now. Good night. Good night, Bluey. Bluey's asleep, everybody. Thanks for watching our nighttime routine. Bye. Vroom, 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 vroom. Let me count my blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Vroom, zoom. I'll be right back, Bluey. I just need to change the laundry. Okay, Mommy. Vroom, vroom. Beep, 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 beep. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, vroom. Let's find something else to play with. Ooh, is that slime? Let's get it. Oopsie. I got it. Ooh, look at how slimy it is. Let's touch it. Ooh, that feels so cool. I want to take it out of the jar. Let's take it out. It's so squishy. Ooh, it feels so slimy in my feet. This is so much fun. Let's put some on my face. Woo! That tickles. Let's put some on my truck. Yay, there we go. And let's put some on my car. Woohoo! Slime is so much fun. Okay, Bluey, I'm back. Oh no, what happened, Bluey? That's not how you play with slime. Come on, we have to get you all cleaned up. Look at this, you have slime on your feet and slime on your nose and even in your ears and eyes. Oh boy, Bluey, you even made a mess of your toys. This is not good, Bluey. That is not what you do with slime. Sorry, Mommy. Okay, let's get my wipes out so we can wipe Bluey off. Let's wipe Bluey's feet. So much slime. Okay, there we go. The feet are all clean. Now time for your face, Bluey. Oh my goodness, there's so much slime over here. This is too much slime. Okay, let's get your ears, your eyes. Okay, we're just about done. Let's Get the top of your fur here. Now we have to clean Bluey's toys. Let's wipe this car here and make them brand new. All right, that one is done. Now onto the fire truck. This slime has gone inside of the fire truck. Oh no, Bluey, I hope it's not ruined. There we go, it's perfect. There we go, Bluey, you're all cleaned up. Now let's go prepare some lunch for you. Yay, I'm hungry. Okay, Bluey, here are some yummy healthy veggies for you. I'll be right back. I just have to take this phone call really quick. Yay, yummy. Play, 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 play. Yum, yum, yum. Bluey full now. Bluey, what happened? There's veggies everywhere. There's even veggies on your nose and on your head. That's not how we eat our food. We need to get you all cleaned up. Sorry, Mommy. Okay, let's clean off all these veggies from your ears and your nose. Let's take it from your ears up here. Bluey, you're making a lunchtime mess. This is too messy. Okay, there we go. You're all clean now. Now it's time to clean your tray here. Let's clean all these veggies off. There we go. Everything is nice and clean now. Okay, Bluey, no more messes. Okay, can we go play outside now? That sounds like a great idea. Yay! Okay, Bluey, you can play on the grass, but please don't go in the dirt. Okay, Mommy. I see a ball over there. Yay, a ball! Ooh, dirt! Yay, yay, yay! Dirt! Muddy, muddy dirt! Woohoo! This is so much fun! Let's go digging! Woo! Dig for treasures! No treasures. Oh no, Bluey, what happened? I said not to go in the dirt. Oh no, you're all dirty. You're gonna have to go and have a bath now. I'm sorry, Mommy. Come on, Bluey, let's go. Okay, let's put some soap in the bath. Now let's add some water. Let's add a little bit more. There we go, the bath is ready. Yay, bath time! Whoa, Bluey, you're super excited for bath time. Woohoo! Let's splash, splash, splash. Ooh. Oh no, Bluey, the water's getting so dirty. We have to wash you off so you can get out. Let's scrub it up, dub. Gotta wash your face, Bluey. So dirty. We have to scrub all of this dirt off. This is why you cannot play in the dirt. You gotta get in here and your feet. Look at all of that dirt. Let's do your other foot. Let's use the washcloth. Have to scrub, scrub, scrub everywhere. Your ears, other ear. Let's do your nose. Looking cleaner already, Bluey. Let's just finish up your body, under your armpits. Tickle, 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 tickle. That tickles. Okay, let's do the other one. Your arms and your hands. And let's rinse you all off. You're as good as new, Bluey. Time to get out and dry. All clean. Okay, Bluey, you're finally all clean and dry, and it's time for bed. I'm tired from all of my messy adventures today. Good night.